Hi guys, welcome back to our video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a comparison between Clickup versus Asana versus Trello. So guys, we're gonna start off with Trello. Trello has been very popular among small businesses nowadays, especially in the world of freelancers. Many people are using Trello nowadays because firstly, this is affordable. Secondly, it has a lot of features, and thirdly, this is amazing for managing your businesses. So for example, I'm gonna open up a board that I have been using personally for quite some time now. So over here, you can see the basic layout of Asana. So we have a couple of lists present over here. So it all depends upon you guys, how many lists you want, how many lists your particular work desires. You can add as many lists as you want, or you can add just 2 lists or 3 lists. It all depends upon you and your workload. Now, secondly, the thing about Trello is that Trello is not a software for an individual, and neither are Clickup or Asana as well. All these softwares are basically for businesses and only for businesses. So for example, how it works is that you simply create yourself cards. So for example, I'm gonna create a card over here basically which says script needed. So I'm gonna simply type in over here script needed, and then after that I'm gonna click on add a card. Now guys, once I click on add a card, this card has been added over here. Now a person from your team can simply attach the script over here by clicking on this attachment, or by simply pasting the link over here to a document. You can even integrate Google Drive as well. Basically they have a lot of integrations. If I'm not wrong, more than 100 integrations are available for Trello. And guys, this is the free version. In the free version, you can actually design all of these things, and this is all gonna work for free, and you can have as many members as you want in a team, not more than 10, but still 10 is a big number in itself as well. So basically that is what Trello is most useful for. Literally you don't need to have any technical expertise, any big budgets or anything like that. You can simply manage your business using Trello by simply having cards, lists, and you can have as many boards as you want on Trello. So for example, if I were to go back over to the main screen, I can simply click on this plus button, and then from over here I can either choose from hundreds of templates that are present or simply create a brand new board. If I were to choose from a template, I can quite literally cherry pick the board that I want depending upon my personal business, and then after that I can simply develop on that, customize it, do whatever I like to make sure that that particular board, for example, fits my user. So let's say you want to create a new board. You simply click on create board, and then after that you simply click on start with a template, or you simply put in your title. So I'm gonna type in sample business, and then after that if I were to click on this button, I can simply change the format as well. So I'm gonna choose this format, and then after that they're basically asking me to basically upgrade my membership because I have a couple of boards already. So guys, now I'm gonna show you their membership plans as well. So if I were to come over here, I can actually see their membership plans. So they basically bill $10 per user per month, and secondly, if you want even more premium services, well then they bill $12 per month. Now guys, it all depends upon you how many members you have. Well, the more members you have, the more you'll have to pay. But the thing is, when you are using these softwares, you already have a team set up, so paying that amount is not going to be a lot of money for you guys. So guys, this was basically Trello, and now we're gonna move on to Clickup. Now guys, Clickup is essentially very similar to Trello, but the only thing is that Clickup is far more suitable for big organizations, for big businesses to manage all their employees, to manage basically their everything. Now Clickup also has a free version, and also Asana, it also has a free version. Now the only difference and the only benefit of using Clickup is that they basically have 24/7 live support available, and they also work in business hours. They are all online, and they also have their API public. What that means is that developers are constantly developing integrations for their particular application. They have more than 1,000 integrations available. Now, some of the core features of Clickup is basically having a list view. Trello clearly lacks these things. Trello only has these board views, nothing more than that. But ClickView provides you with a list view, and this honestly makes it much more manageable to do all the basic tasks like managing your teammate, because with boards you have those big blocks in front of you, and honestly that is not very efficient for the screen real estate. Then you have all these different integrations available. So basically what you can do is that if you were using Jira, Rike, Trello, Asana, Monday, Excel, like you can basically import all those things into your ClickUp account, and you will not need to basically like start from scratch. You will actually have a pretty good template available for you to get started. Now similarly over here we have some more features, but all in all the best and the most differentiating feature between Trello and ClickUp is basically that a Trello is for small businesses and ClickUp is basically for medium businesses. I'm going to show you the interface as well. So like simply click on sign up, and then from over here simply put in your email, and I will catch you guys in just a second once I've signed up myself. So when you are signing up on this particular software, they basically ask you a couple of questions, like for example your name, and then after that they basically like ask you for your workspace name. I'm gonna leave it default for now, but you can change it to anything that you want to. After that click on next, and then from over here choose your avatar. I'm gonna choose red because I honestly like red a lot, and then similarly I'm gonna choose red for the theme as well. And now from over here they are asking me how many people will I be working with. So let's say you're a big company, you can even choose 500 plus, but for now let's choose 26 to 50 because that is the average number. After that from over here, if you were to use this website, choose YouTube advertisements, and then from over here click on I'm done. For now you can always add people later, but for now I'm gonna show you how everything works. So from over here you can even enable applications, enable time tracking applications. So basically you can track the time of other people as well. So let's say you are giving out hourly projects to your teammates. What you can do is that you can actually ask them to basically track time when they're working, so that you know that they were actually working and that you are paying them for the proper time. So after that click on looks good if you have everything that you need, and then if you use any of these applications you can actually integrate them into ClickUp as well if you want to. For now I'm gonna click on no thanks, and then again no thanks, but if you want to import your workflow from over here you can do that too. Click on no thanks again, and then click on play with ClickUp. So once you do this, now you're gonna be logged in, and this is essentially what ClickUp looks like. So over here in front of you you have a blank space for now, and they're asking you to pick a template. Now depending upon your workflow you can pick any template that you want. You can go with project management, a simple board like view. You can even go with simple project management. So I'm going to choose simple project management, and then from over here I am going to just basically from over here add a task. So I'm going to click on over here. I can change it to produce the first draft. After that if I were to click on over here I can add a person. Let's say I want to add someone, so I'm gonna add a dummy account. I'm gonna type in alihas3@gmail.com, and I'm gonna click on enter. Now if I click on enter from over here, that person is gonna get my email, and then after that I will be able to essentially add him. Now if for whatever reason you are not able to see your your desired email, simply come back, and then from over here simply click on your own picture. After that click on settings, and then from over here click on people, and then you can simply invite people by simply putting in their email. So I'm gonna put in that email once again over here, and then I'm gonna click on invite. Now this person is gonna receive my email, and then after that when they click on the acceptance they will be able to join my workspace, and I will be able to assign this particular task to them by simply clicking on over here. So I can even put in the details, we need this done by Thursday, and then after that I can even put in something else, basically extra notes or stuff like that. So essentially what ClickUp does is that ClickUp basically automates everything and basically makes it very, very compact and fast and easy for everybody to work with. Now you can even add attachments from Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive. All in all, this makes it absolutely perfect for medium to large businesses to use a ClickUp. So guys, now we're gonna move on to Asana. Asana is basically very, very similar to ClickUp and Trello, so I'm not gonna waste your time by telling you everything again, but rather the main difference is that Asana offers a lot of different layouts. So what I mean by that is let's say you were to open up this particular project. I have these two projects, I can add another project by simply clicking on over here, and then from over here I can use a template. Now they have templates ranging from like, like simple templates to very complex templates. And then they also offer list views, board views, and also diagrammatical views, and also many different views as well. So like that makes it really stand out in terms of the whole layout. Now the sign up process is very similar to Clickup and also Trello, because like basically at the end of the day, these are basically like task management softwares. But an additional feature of Asana is that they also give you an inbox. So in the inbox, people can actually text you, people can actually like add you, people can actually like talk with you in real time, have a chat, have a group chat if you want to. And that really makes it an ecosystem rather than a software. You won't have to like leave this software to access anything. And guys, again, this has all the features of Clickup and Asana plus a bit more. Like basically this is suitable for freelancers as well if they want to like have small tasks, and this is also suitable for big companies like Microsoft if they want to have their like thousands of employees working on one task at the same time. Similarly, you can assign tasks to other people. You can have like multiple gigs, multiple boards, and then you can simply have like a board view, have like a list view, or basically any type of view that you possibly could need. So guys, that makes it really fun to work with. And honestly, I cannot emphasize Asana enough. I personally use Clickup for most of my business, but Asana has been on the top of my list. So guys, like definitely try out these softwares. But now the most important thing, how much do these softwares cost? So guys, like Trello actually costs $12.5 per month for the starting plan. Clickup actually costs $13.49 for the starting plan, and then Asana basically costs $9 per user per month for the starting plan. And then after that, the price like eventually goes up. Like we have Clickup offering their business plan for like $30 per user per month. So like honestly, the price goes up. And for Trello being the cheapest, the biggest plan is basically $20 per user per month. So like definitely explore them. And for Asana, the business plan is $19, and then like if you need additional features, you can also get their enterprise plan as well if you have like a lot of users. So guys, like this was basically the video, and these were the 3 softwares that I had for you in this video. So guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.